Today we're going to be showing you how to adjust your headlights on your 2011 Ford Taurus. What you'll need for this job, for the passenger side, you'll need a wrench that's 10 millimeters. And on the driver's side, which is a little more difficult, you'll need a ratchet, socket, and extension, also 10 millimeters. Let's get started. Come on over here to your light. We have ours on already. And this is how you adjust the beam. Come over here, you'll see this right here. Okay, and you can get your wrench and put it on there. All right, and now if you twist it like this, okay, it will move the beam. See how the beam's moving up on the wall? That's what we're doing. We're adjusting our headlight beam. We're going down now. Yep. So let's make it even, because see, it's a little bit high on this side. Adjust it a little bit lower. So let's get our ratchet socket next there. There we go. It slides right on, and we can adjust it. Moving it up, and I think I'm going to actually move it back down. There we go. And that's how you adjust your headlights on your 2011 Ford Taurus. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.